Hi students, welcome to Preparation Info for Pharmacology GPAT 2021 Part 11. In this video I am going to discuss about 10 multiple choice questions with answer. Question number 101. Gynecomastia can occur as a side effect of A. Bromocriptine, B. Levodopa, C. Famotidine, D. Cimetidine. The right answer is Cimetidine. Gynecomastia is a enlarged male breast tissue. It is commonly caused by male estrogen levels that are too high or out of balance with testosterone levels. Cimetidine is a drug of choice used to treat the peptic ulcer. It inhibits the estrogen metabolism. Thereby, it leads to gynecomastia if prolonged use of cimetidine. Question number 102. In peptic ulcer, antacids are now primarily used for A. Prompt pain relief, B. Ulcer healing, C. Preventing ulcer relapse, D. Control of bleeding from the ulcer. The right answer is prompt pain relief. Generally, antacids are used to treat the symptoms of stomach acidity. Question number 103. The acid neutralizing capacity of an antacid is governed by A. The equivalent weight of the antacids, B. The pH of one normal solution of the antacids, C. The rate at which the antacids reacts with hydrochloric acid, D. Both A and C. The right answer is both A and C. Question number 104. The drugs employed for anti-H. pylori therapy include the following except A. Ciprofloxacin, B. Clarithromycin, C. Tinidazole, D. Amoxicillin. The right answer is ciprofloxacin. H. pylori is a gram-negative chelically shaped microaerophilic bacterium found in stomach. It leads to peptic ulcer. It can be treated by administration of clarithromycin, tinidazole, amoxicillin for 14 days. Question number 105. Anti-motility drugs are contraindicated in A. Mild traveler's diarrhea, B. Acute infective diarrheas, C. Ileostomy patients, D. Patients after anal surgery. The right answer is acute infective diarrheas. Question number 106. Therapy of choice in Zollinger-Ellison syndrome is A. Omeprazole, B. Ranitidine, C. Sucralfate, D. Carboxyl sodium. The right answer is omeprazole. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome is a gastrin secreting tumor of the islets of cells in the pancreas that causes overproduction of gastric acid resulting in recurrent peptic ulcer. It can be treated by administration of proton pump inhibitor. Thereby it reduces the acid secretion in your stomach. Question number 107. Antacids should not be prescribed concurrently with A. Ranitidine, B. Pyrazinamide, C. Sucralfate, D. Omeprazole. The right answer is Sucralfate. Antacids should not be taken within 2 hours of a dose of Sucralfate because Sucralfate contains aluminum that leads to aluminum accumulation in people with poor kidney functions and also who are taking of the aluminum containing antacids. Therefore, antacids should not be prescribed concurrently with Sucralfate. Question number 108. Misoprostol A is helpful in preventing ulcers induced by NSAIDs. B can cause constipation. C does not inhibit acid secretion. D can delay labor in a pregnant woman. The right answer is helpful in preventing ulcers induced by NSAIDs. Question number 109. Octreotide has a short half-life of 2 minutes. B is given orally 3 times in a day. C is useful in carcinoid syndrome. D increases intestinal smooth muscle contractility. The right answer is useful in carcinoid syndrome. Question number 110. The most efficacious drug For inhibiting round the clock gastric acid output is A. Omeprazole, B. Cimetidine, C. Pyransepine, D. Misoprostol. The right answer is Omeprazole. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, comment and share. We will meet again.